Hi.
Hi, welcome to Active Fitness.
Thanks. I'd like to sign up.
Great. Do you already have a membership?
No, I'm new here.
No problem. What kind of program are you interested in?
What do you offer?
We have different options: yoga, swimming, and strength training.
I like yoga and maybe swimming too.
Awesome. We have yoga every Monday and Wednesday
What time?
at 6:30 p.m.
That works. How much is the membership?
It's $35 a month.
Okay, that's not too expensive. Do you have a free trial class?
Yes, your first class is free.
Perfect. When can I come?
Tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Great. I'll come tomorrow. What's your name?
I'm Michael. I'm one of the trainers. And you?
I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Michael. Do I need workout clothes?
Yes, comfortable clothes and sneakers are best.
Where can I buy them?
We have a small shop here, and there's also a sporting goods store nearby.
Oh, convenient. Thanks. Do you have lockers?
Yes, in the locker room.
Do I need to bring a lock?
No, we have digital lockers.
Nice. Do you have showers?
Yes, showers are available and towels are included.
Great. What hours are you open?
From 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, we're open on weekends too.
Perfect. I work a lot.
Then evenings might be best for you.
Definitely. Do you sell drinks?
Yes, we have water and sports drinks.
How much is a bottle of water?
$2.
Okay. Can I bring my own bottle?
Of course.
Great. Can you help me with a workout plan?
Sure. I'll help you tomorrow.
Thanks. That's really nice.
No problem.
Do you have parking?
Yes, behind the building.
Great. I'm driving.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow, Sarah.
See you tomorrow, Michael. Thanks.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to send a package to Spain.
Sure. Do you know how much it weighs?
I'm not sure. Can you weigh it?
Yes. Please place it on the scale.
Okay, here you go. It weighs about 4.5 pounds, 2 kilograms.
How much will that cost?
Shipping to Spain is $28.
That's fine. How long will it take?
Around 5 to 7 business days.
Do you have express shipping?
Yes, Express takes 2 business days.
How much is express?
$55.
That's expensive. I'll take the regular shipping.
No problem. Would you like insurance?
What's that?
It protects your package if it gets lost or damaged.
How much is it?
$5 extra.
Okay, I'll add insurance.
Great. What's inside the package?
Books and clothes. Any restricted items like liquids, batteries, or anything hazardous?
No, just books and clothes.
Perfect. Where in Spain is it going?
Madrid.
Do you have the address?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. One moment.
No problem.
Who's the recipient?
Maria Rodriguez.
And your return address?
I live at 12 Park Street.
Great. Here's your receipt with the tracking number.
Can I track it?
Yes, online on our website,
What's the website?
usps.com.
Thanks, that's helpful.
Anything else?
Yes, do you sell stamps?
Yes. How many?
10 stamps, please.
Domestic or international?
Domestic. Okay, that'll be $7.30.
Here you go.
Thanks, here are your stamps.
Do you have envelopes?
Do you have envelopes?
How much is one envelope?
50 cents.
I'll take 5.
I'll take 5.
Here's $3.
Thanks, here's your change.
What time do you close?
At 6 p.m. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi.
Hi, are you Miss Smith?
Yes, and you're Mr. Miller?
That's right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this the apartment?
Yes, come on in.
Thanks. Oh, it's really bright.
Yes, it has large windows. I like that.
How many rooms does it have?
2 bedrooms and a living room, plus a small office space.
Perfect. I work from home sometimes.
Then it's a good fit.
Where's the kitchen?
Right here. The kitchen is brand new.
Nice. Very modern.
Yes, with new appliances.
Is there a stove?
Yes, and a refrigerator and dishwasher.
Great. Is the washer included?
Yes, it's in the laundry closet.
Can I see the bathroom?
Sure, this way.
The bathroom is spacious.
Yes, there's a bathtub and a shower.
Perfect. How much is the rent?
It's $1,600 per month, not including utilities.
What does that include?
Rent only. Utilities usually run about $200, depending on usage, so around $1,800 total approximately.
Is internet included?
No, you'll set that up yourself.
Okay. Is there a balcony?
Yes, right here.
Wow, nice view.
You can see the park.
Is parking available?
Yes, there's a garage spot for $75 extra per month.
I'll need parking.
Great. There's also a storage unit in the basement.
Nice. For bikes and stuff.
Exactly.
Are pets allowed?
Small pets are allowed. Cats are fine.
Great. I have a cat.
Then no problem.
When could I move in?
Starting on the 1st of next month.
Perfect. What do you need from me?
Proof of income and a credit check authorization.
Okay. I'll email everything.
Great. My email is on my card.
Thanks.
I'll get back to you soon.
When will I hear back?
In 3 to 5 business days.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Hi.
Hi, do you have an appointment?
No, can you take walk ins?
Yes, we can. One moment. No problem. Please have a seat.
Thanks. What's your name?
I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you, Lisa.
What can we do for you today?
I'd like a haircut. How much would you like off?
About 2 inches. Great. Just a cut. No color?
Just a cut. Would you like a wash?
Yes, please. Perfect. Right over to the sink. The water feels nice. Is the temperature okay?
Yes, perfect.
What kind of shampoo do you want?
What do you have?
Regular, dry hair, and oily hair shampoo.
I have dry hair. Got it.
That smells good. It's argan oil. Nice. All done. Back to the chair.
Okay.
Do you want it blunt or layered? Blends, please. Bangs or no bangs? No bangs. And I'll trim the split ends too. Yes, please. About shoulder length. Yes. Great. All done. How does that look? It looks really good. Want a blow dry? Yes, please. Straight. You got it. How often do you come in for haircuts? Every 3 months is perfect. Great. How much do I owe you? $45. Here's 50. Thanks. Here's $5 back. Keep it. That's a tip. Thank you. When should I come back? In 3 months. Can I book an appointment now? Sure. What day works? Saturday in May. Saturday, May 15th at 10 a.m. Perfect. See you then. Bye.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to the Sunshine Hotel.
Thanks. I have a reservation.
What name is it under?
Thomas Weber.
One moment. Yes, I see it.
Great. You're staying 3 nights, correct?
Yes, until Sunday.
Perfect. You're in room 205, second floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right over there.
Thanks. Is this a key card?
Yes, an electronic key card.
Nice. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m.
Where is it served?
in the ground floor restaurant.
Is it included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Great. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it's free.
What's the password?
Sunshine Hotel 2020.
Thanks. Is there a safe in the room?
Yes, every room has a safe.
Great. Is parking available?
Yes, behind the hotel, $15 per day.
Okay. What time is checkout?
By 11 a.m. on Sunday.
Can I check out late?
Yes, for $25.
Okay, I'll think about it.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Is there a gym?
Yes, in the basement. Opens 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Perfect. Is there a restaurant?
Yes, it opens at 6 p.m.
Can I reserve a table for 7 p.m. tonight?
Absolutely. I'll take care of it.
Thanks. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Good night.
Hello, Miss Klein. I'm Dr. Weber. What brings you in today?
I don't feel well. I have bad stomach pain.
How long has that been going on?
For 3 days.
Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Do you have diarrhea or constipation?
Diarrhea.
Have you had a fever?
Yes, yesterday it was 100.4 degrees.
That's a mild fever. Did you eat anything unusual?
Maybe. I was at a party over the weekend.
Okay, I'm going to examine you now. Please lie down.
Like this?
Yes. Does that hurt here?
Yes, ouch.
I understand. It looks like a stomach virus, a stomach bug.
Is it serious?
Usually not, but you need rest and a lot of water.
What should I do?
Drink plenty of water and tea. Eat simple, soft foods.
Like what?
Soup, toast, bananas, rice.
Okay, I understand.
I will give you medicine for nausea. Take it 3 times a day after food.
Okay, thank you.
Please avoid coffee, alcohol, and greasy food for now.
How long will it last?
About 5 to 7 days.
Can I go to work?
I recommend you stay home for a week. I will write a doctor's note.
Thank you.
Please make another appointment in 1 week at the front desk.
Okay, thanks, doctor.
Feel better soon. Goodbye.
Excuse me, where can I find flour?
Flour is in aisle 3 with the baking items.
Thanks. And sugar?
Same aisle, right next to the flour.
Great, thanks.
Anything else?
Yes, where's the milk?
In the refrigerated section, aisle 5.
Thanks.
No problem.
Do you have lactose-free milk?
Yes, same shelf, top left.
Perfect. I'm lactose intolerant.
Then you'll find lots of options there.
Good to know.
Do you have our loyalty card?
No. What is it?
You get discounts.
How much?
Around 5 to 10% on many items.
How do I get one?
At checkout, it's free.
Great.
What else can I help you with?
Right by the entrance on the right.
Do you have organic vegetables?
Yes. Look for the green signs.
Nice. Do you have gluten-free bread?
Yes, in aisle 4 with specialty foods.
Thanks, you're very helpful.
Anytime.
Hi, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thanks. I'd like to pay.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No, but I'd like to get one.
Sure, please fill out this form.
Do you need my ID?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Great, here's your card.
Thanks. How much is the total with the discount?
It's $42.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, insert your card here.
Enter my PIN?
Yes, please.
Done.
Perfect, here's your receipt.
Do I need a bag?
We have reusable bags for $2.
Okay, I'll take one.
Here you go. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Hi,
Hi, how can I help?
I want to go to Washington, D.C.
When do you want to leave?
as soon as possible.
Let me check. The next train leaves at 11:15 a.m.
How long is the trip?
About 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Is it direct?
Yes, no transfers.
Great. How much is a ticket?
Coach or business class?
Coach, please.
$39.
Any discount fares?
Discount tickets are usually available if you book ahead.
Okay, I'll take the regular ticket.
One way or round trip?
Round trip.
When are you coming back?
The day after tomorrow in the afternoon.
Total is $78. Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Which platform does it leave from?
Track 7.
Where's track 7?
Up the stairs and to the right. There's an elevator at the end, too.
Thanks. I have a heavy suitcase.
No problem. Is there Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, Wi-Fi is available.
Great. I need to work.
There are also power outlets at the seats.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Hi, welcome to the City Library.
Hi, it's my first time here.
Nice. Can I help you?
Yes, I am looking for books about history.
U.S. history or world history?
U.S. history, especially New York City.
The history section is on the second floor.
How do I get there?
You can take the stairs or the elevator. They are right over there.
Thanks. Do I need a card?
Yes, to check out books, you need a library card.
How do I get one?
You can sign up at the front desk.
Does it cost anything?
It's free if you live in the city.
What do you need from me?
A photo ID and proof of address.
I have my ID, but not proof of address.
That's okay. You can still read in the library today.
Can I study here?
Yes, quiet study rooms are on the third floor.
Are they quiet?
Very quiet. We also have individual desks.
Perfect. I'm studying for an exam. Then you're in the right place.
Are there computers?
Yes, on the first floor.
Are they free?
Yes, but you can use them only 1 hour a day. That's fine.
Anything else?
Do you have magazines?
Yes, you can read magazines here, but you can't take them home.
Do you have DVDs?
Yes, movies and documentaries are downstairs.
How many books can I borrow?
You can borrow up to 10 books at a time.
Nice. Do you have events?
Yes, author talks, workshops, and kids programs.
Where can I find the schedule?
On our website or on the bulletin board by the entrance.
What time do you close?
Monday to Friday, we close at 8 p.m. On Saturday, we close at 6 p.m. We are closed on Sundays.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck studying.